Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm working on an upcycle project. I'm creating a feminine top using an old t-shirt and a shirt. In order to obtain a better result, it is important to choose garments with compatible colors. Before I start, I iron the shirt and the t-shirt. This will help me to make the cutting easier and more precise. I first lay out the t-shirt. I work out the distance on the shoulders where I want to cut. From the mark I made on the shoulders, I draw a perpendicular line to the bottom of both sides of the body. I cut through the marked lines and keeping the central piece of the t-shirt. Before cutting the shirt, I remove the pocket. I lay out the shirt. I will cut following the pattern marked by the checks. I calculate where I want to cut the shoulder, and I go ahead with the cutting. I first cut on the front body and afterwards the back to follow the check pattern totally straight. I also cut from the shoulder to the bottom of the front and back yoke. Now I mark where I cut on the back and follow the check line. I now join the central part of the tee and the size of the shirt with a quick basting stitch to be able to fit it. I proceed to cut the sleeves straight through the text line. With the leftover parts of the sleeves, I'm going to cut some bands to make the ruffles. I make 2 bands from each sleeve. Once I have the bands, I cut straight one of the sides, as I have to join them later. I will use 2 bands for each ruffle. I also need to level up the hem. I'm now ready to start the sewing. I first sew the front and back seams to join the tee and the shirt panels. I then close the seams on the reverse side with a zigzag edge. When I finish, I cut all the threads and clean out the seams. I press the seams to the outer side of the shirt. On the right side of the garment, I top stitch these seams. On the next step, I finish the hem and sleeves edge with a zigzag. With the iron, I press a 1 cm fold at hem and sleeves. I stitch them on the right side with a 0.8 cm seam. Now I place the pocket at the front of the body and I hold it with pins. I sew it with an edge top stitch. To make the ruffles, I first join the bands at the center and I close the seams with a zigzag on the reverse side and a top stitch on the right side. I finish the bands with a cord stitch around the edge. This is either a baby zigzag or a baby overlock. I cut clean around the edges. I make a very loose stitch at 1 cm from the top edge. I manually pull the threads on both sides to make the ruffle. I put the ruffle over the shoulder to calculate the length. I make it 19 centimeters. The total of my ruffle is 38 centimeters. I check the length on both ruffles. Once I have the measurement, I tie the side threads. I make a stay stitch to avoid the ruffle moving. Finally, I place the ruffles with pins on the shoulders. I then sew them with the machine. After the final ironing, I have finished my top. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I will see you soon with more ideas and projects.